Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and let's talk about a little story of something that happened in the past that was called Project 2020. And Project 2020 was a Microsoft project where they were asking all the engineers, developers, and so on that Windows should actually use 20% less RAM than it is actually doing right now. So they went on to start doing this. But the project never really completed. And so go now to 2026. Well, the Pavan Dovuluri, that is in the Windows department, has said that maybe it's time to restart that project. One of the biggest concerns for most is the amount of RAM that Windows 11 is using while being idle, just doing nothing. And of course, one of the first things that they said is that there's a lot more background processes in Windows 11, and part of them are, for example, the telemetry system, more advanced security, the Windows security app, and also the fact that there's a lot of web wrappers around some of the apps increases the amount of RAM that these processes are using. So now, apparently, part of the improvements that Windows would be having is trying to lower the amount of RAM used. And I would guess this also comes not just because of user complaint, but comes also because of RAM prices that have skyrocketed and that are just so high now that maybe it's time to try to lower the imprint or the footprint of Windows in RAM memory so that even if your PC, because of high prices, doesn't have that much RAM, it can still run it and run it well. So it's part of one of the projects that hopefully will come to fruition. I think there is a lot of space to optimize Windows. I think there's a lot of place to make it smaller and still very efficient and do what you want to do. So we'll see what this brings. This could be something for 26H2, who knows? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.